Hi everyone, today I'd like to introduce two interesting products. The assembly jig for the Jcvap ICA 5D V2 chambers in the 5D XSL chamber. And our new frosted 4mm quartz turbers for concentrate chambers or quartz banger other erase. Since we have developed a wide range of accessories and small products, some of them can be difficult to find on our website. So I'd like to take a moment to highlight these products for you. First, let's talk about the assembly jig. Many of our customers prefer rebuilding the chambers such as the ICA 5D V2 chamber. However, during disassembly or reassembly, the chamber can easily slip, move around, or even become damaged. To solve this issue, we developed the assembly jigs, which provide a stable and secure base to firmly hold the bottom chamber in place. Let me show you. It prevents unwanted movement or shaking, allow you to tighten screws with greater confidence and precision during maintenance or rebuilding. Put the screw on the bottom chamber. Isn't it a convenience? Yes, of course. Okay. Put the insert on it, and top ceramic ring, and then top metal cover. Okay, perfect. In addition, we have also introduced the 4mm frosted quartz turbers. The frosted surface increases the overall surface area, helping concentrates spread more evenly while promoting efficient heat transfer throughout the chamber. Designed for use with quartz bangers, inserts, and erase. These turbers can enhance flavor production, improve vaporization efficiency. Okay. You can put 2 pieces on it. And then screw it on your rig. Okay. And reduce concentrate pouring for a more consistent experience. Alright, that's it for today's presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at service@jcvap.com. See you next time. Bye bye.